Hello friends! Today I am here to share about United Nations Day. United Nations Day is celebrated every year on October 24. It celebrates the original enactment of the foundational charter for the UN. This day highlights, celebrates and reflects on the work of the United Nations and its family of specialized agencies. Now, let's get to know about some information on United Nations and also about the history and celebration of this United Nations Day. Now, let's get started. The United Nations as an organization is well known to just about everyone around the world. They participate in activities ranging from assistance in times of disaster, both those coming from natural disasters and those caused by the wages of war. They offer medical assistance to those in need in these places, as well as providing clean water, food, and places to rest and recover. United Nations Day celebrates the foundation of this great organization and is a great opportunity for you to learn the truth about its past, its present, and what its plans are for the future. Now, let's get to know about the four main purposes of the UN. It is to keep peace throughout the world, to develop friendly relations among nations, to help nations work together to improve the lives of poor people, to conquer hunger, disease and illiteracy, and to encourage respect for each other's rights and freedoms. To be a center of harmonizing the actions of nations to achieve these goals. Now let's get to know about the little history behind this United Nations Day. Now, moving on to the little history behind this United Nations Day. The idea around the United Nations were developed in the last years of World War II, particularly during the UN Conference on International Organization in San Francisco, the United States, beginning on April 25, 1945. The UN was officially created when a UN Charter was ratified on October 24 that year. United Nations Day was first observed on October 24, 1948. United Nations have been spectacular, particularly in the fields of human rights, support in areas of famine, eradication of disease, promotion of health and settlement of refugees. The UN does not work alone but together with many specialized agencies, which includes like World Health Organization, the Food and Agriculture Organization, the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, the United Nations Children's Fund, International Labour Organization, United Nations High Commissioner of Refugees, and United Nations Human Rights Council. The United Nations emblem consists of projection of the globe center on the North Pole. It depicts all continents except Antarctica and four concentric circles representing degrees of latitude. The projection is surrounded by images of olive branches representing peace. The emblem is often blue, although it is printed in white on a blue background on the UN flag. Now, moving on to the celebration of United Nations Day. Celebrating United Nations Day can be done by getting to know about this great organization and the differences it makes in your life. Some of the basic rights and privileges enjoyed by people around the world are a result of the work done by the United Nations. On and around October 24, many activities are organized by all parts of the UN, particularly in the main offices in New York, The Hague in Netherlands, Geneva in Switzerland, Vienna in Austria, and Nairobi in Kenya. These includes like concerts, flying the UN flag on important buildings, debates on the relevance of the work of the UN in modern times, and proclamations by the state heads and other leaders. Additionally, celebrations are held around the world, such as lighting up bridges and buildings with the trademark blue of the United Nations. Others represent art from around the world and are used as part of an art installation. So I hope you enjoyed knowing about this United Nations Day, some of the important features of United Nations, the little history behind this United Nations Day, and also about the celebration. So thank you all for watching. If you like my video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos.
Thank you.